Hello children, last class we discussed factors and factorial program. Today we discuss area of a circle using function and GCD. Let's see program. What was the program? Write a program using a function called area to compute area of the following. What was that? Area of a circle, formula pi r, pi into r into r. Area of a square, side into side. Area of a rectangle, length into breadth. And display the menu to display the area as per the user choice. So that means you have to use the switch case in this program using function. Now coding of this program. Same here to use scanner class we are using here. Class name menu area. Our function name void area. What the question was given in the function, that same function name you have to apply here. Our question was void area, so you have to apply here also void area. Open the curly bracket. Use the scanner class. Then you have to print all this. How will you print? System.out.print. Enter A to B, calculate area of a circle. System.out.println. Enter B to calculate area of a square. System.out.println. Enter C to calculate the area of rectangle. Everywhere semicolon is there. System.out.print. What have to use? Enter your user choice. That is terminate with a semicolon. And then you have to use one car data type. What was that? Car choice equal to new in dot next, then car 80A 80, they write 0 here. Car 80 means you are using the index position. Index position we are using here. In 80 means the character at the 0th position. The character at the 0th position. Now use the switch case, switch choice, open the curly bracket, case A. What was the case A? You have to write system.out.print, enter radius of a circle. Terminate with a semicolon. Data type, which data type you are using here? Double R equal to in dot next double. Then give the formula double CA equal to 22/7.0, then into R. Then system.out.println area of a circle, that CA. Then break it. Then we come to the CA means area circle. Then next what was that? Case B. Same way, system.out.print, enter side of a square, terminate with a semicolon, double side equal to in dot next double, then double SA equal to side into side, then what you have to print? SA, then break. Next one, C, case C, system.out.print, enter length of a rectangle, double L is equal to in dot next double, then system.out.print, enter breadth of a rectangle, double B equal to in dot next double, then double R equal to L into B. Then what have to print? RA. Then break it. Then default system.out.println wrong choice. So in this way you can do the which program? Area of a circle, area of a square. Now we come to the second program. What was the second program? Write a program using method name GLCM int integer we are using, two data type we are using. What was that? Integer, to find the lowest common multiply, that was LCM, of two numbers by GCD. GCD means what? Greatest common divisor of the numbers. GCD of two integers is calculated by continue division method. Divide the larger number by the smaller, the remainder, then divide the previous divisor. The process is repeated till the remainder is 0. Your process will be repeated till the GCD is 0. So divide the divisor, then result in the GCD. The divisor, that result is your GCD. Now how we'll find out the LCM? LCM equal to product of two number by GCD. Now coding of this program is use the scanner class and the class name, what was that? GLCM. What the question is given, the class name, that class name you have to write. You can't write your own class name. So here function name is also given, public void GLCM, int n1, int n2. Then int x1 equal to n1 and int y is equal to n2. So you have to copy the n1 to x1. Sorry, you have to copy n1 to x and n2 to y. Now you have to take one condition. What was the one condition? While n1 is not equal to n2, then you open the curly bracket. If n1 greater than n2, then again you have to come to the, if n1 greater than n2, then you open the curly bracket. You have to find out the n1. How you find out the n1? n1 equal to n1 minus n2, you will get the n1. Then close the bracket. Then you come to the else part. You have to find out what was that n2. How you find out the n2? n2 equal to n2 minus n1, you will get the n2. Before that we see the how you find out the GCD. Now we are given two variables here, n1 is equal to 60, n2 is equal to 24. Now 60 minus 24, that means n1 minus n2, what will give you? 36. Now you will get the 36. That 36 minus 24, what it will give you? 12. Now 24 minus 12, what it will give you? 12. Now 12 minus 12, 0. So what you now you get the 12. Now GCD is now 12. In this way you can find out the GCD. Now this logic we apply here. See that here. If n1 greater than n2. So n1 equal to n minus n2. So open the curly bracket. You have to find out the n1. So I will find out the n1. n1 equal to n1 minus n2. So 60 minus 40, what will give you? 20. Now 20 is your n1. Now go to the condition. What was the condition? While n1 not equal to n2. Yes, correct? No. Now come to the else part. Else part we have to find out the n2. How will you find out n2? n2 minus n1, that means 40 minus 20. What it will give you? 20. Now see that now both n1 and n2 is 20. Now you get the GCD. No. Now in this way you can get the GCD. Now it is correct. Now you get the GCD. Now you have to take the GCD of n1. You have to take the GCD of n1. So int GCD is equal to n1. Now how will you print? That system.out.print GCD you have to print. Now you have to find out what was that LCM. How you will find out LCM? Int LCM is equal to x into y. What was the because n1 and n2 we are copying x and y. No, that we had to apply here. X into y oblique GCD. Now we'll get the LCM. Now you have to print the LCM. Now after that you have to invoke a function. Same thing had to apply here. Use the scanner class. Now you have to print the two number. System.out.print, enter the first number, int x. System.out.print, enter the second number, int y. And after that you have to call a function glcm obj equal to new glcm. Then after that obj dot glcm and x comma y. So in this way you can invoke a function of GCD glcm. So you have understood that how you find out how you do the program using the function.